Welcome to Be Amplified, your spiritual oasis. Here you can rediscover your superpower of simply being. Our curated collection of meditations will take you on a journey back to your natural self, where beauty, wisdom, peace, and joy reside. Join our growing community by subscribing, and then give this video a thumbs up and tell us in the comments how we can best support you moving forward. Thanks for being here, and let's begin today's meditation. Welcome to this short meditation to help you press pause on your day, clear your mind, and refresh your spirit. So please come into a comfortable seat, or if you wish to lie down, you're welcome to do that as well. And if you'd like, close your eyes and take a nice deep breath in and exhale out fully, releasing any tension, any stress that you're holding on to. And as you begin to arrive here for today's practice, just begin to notice how your body is feeling. You can start with the surface of your face, just noticing your eyes, your nose, your mouth, your jaw. Noticing your ears, your scalp, and then shifting your attention down into your neck and your throat. Feeling down into your shoulders, your arms and hands. Just inviting a little bit of relaxation through these parts as you visit them. Checking in with your chest, your belly, and feeling the whole length of your spine, back of your torso. And then notice your hips and pelvis. And feeling your legs. And lastly, your feet. And just pause, feeling this connection to your physical body. Feeling the breath moving within your body. And letting yourself take in any sensations that are continuing to arise into your awareness. Just letting yourself receive those sensations, to feel those sensations. Letting yourself breathe with the physical sensations that you're noticing. And now bring your attention back to your breath and begin to shape your breath, slowing it down, breathing in to the very end of your inhalation and then breathing out to the very end of your exhalation. And letting each phase of the breath become smooth, experiencing the inhalations and exhalations like a river of liquid light moving into the body and out of the body. And see if you can let all of your attention dive into this movement of the breath. Like you're diving into this river of liquid light flowing in and out of your body. Letting your mind become cleansed by giving your full attention to the simplicity of your breath. And if thoughts arise, or if you notice yourself ruminating on something, see if you can imagine those thoughts flowing out with your exhalation. Letting your thoughts become more liquid-like and just letting them flow right out with the breath. Cleansing your mind, clearing your mind. And feeling a sense of inner calm, inner peace, inner quiet and stillness. Now take your attention down into the deep space of your body. Identify for yourself where your own center exists. You might feel inclined to choose your heart, or the space behind your navel, or maybe even deep down in your pelvis. Choose the place inside of you that feels like your center and see if you can draw all of your awareness, all of your attention into that area. And as you move your awareness into that space, consciously begin to relax this area inside of you. Feel your center becoming soft, open, and receptive. And then begin to imagine a warm light beginning to glow in this area. This light can emit any color. It could be bright or dim, big or small. But as you begin to see this inner light glowing, allow your breath to infuse this light, amplifying it just a little bit as you inhale. And as you exhale, just imagine this light spreading out. This light represents your deep inner core self. Awakening this energy inside of you with each inhalation and exhalation. And letting it move into any other parts of your body. Let this core energy fill up the rest of you, if that resonates in this moment. Let this energy renew your spirit. Let it heal any aches or pains that you may have. Let this energy soothe your mind, soothe any doubts or worries that you have. And let this inner light help you experience the quietness, the stillness of this intentional pause in your day. Many of us are extremely busy, and we may not give ourselves time to just be and to just feel and acknowledge what's really going on inside of us. So this pause that you're giving yourself is truly a gift. Receive it fully. Let's take 3 more slow breaths in and out to indulge this deep core energy, to indulge the body, mind, and spirit in the sense of inner stillness, inner quiet, inner healing. Take 1 more deep breath in, complete breath out. And then if you'd like, take 1 hand and rest it right over your heart. You could take your other hand and rest it over your belly, honoring yourself, honoring this moment, and honoring whatever is next for you. Thanks for joining us. Have a beautiful rest of your day, guided by this deep connection to your very own core.